Hello boys and girls, I hope you're all keeping well. I've got a little experiment for you here today. It is a rain cloud experiment. Not now that we want to be seeing too many rain clouds over the next couple of months, but no doubt we will, and maybe some of you will be looking out your window wondering where it all comes from. So I'll very quickly talk you through the science behind it all first of all, and then we'll move on to the fun part of actually getting to make our own rain clouds. So basically what happens, it's all part of a process called the water cycle, and this is where the sun heats up the earth, causing the temperature in our oceans and rivers and lakes to rise. And when this happens, some of the water in our oceans and rivers and lakes evaporates. So this is when the water turns into a gas called vapor, and this vapor rises up into the sky where it's cooler, and when it cools, the water vapor turns back into tiny little droplets of water, and these little droplets come together to make a cloud. And when lots of these droplets come together, the cloud is very heavy and it can't hold all of the droplets, and these droplets then fall as rain back down to the earth, ending up back in our rivers and lakes and oceans, where the cycle starts all over again. So that's why it's called a cycle, because the whole process starts all over again. Now to the fun part. Somebody's ready. Now to the fun part where we actually get to make our rain clouds. So you don't need very much at all for this experiment. You just need some shaving foam and some food colouring, any colour at all that you have. We've had a couple of colours in the press, so we're just going to use a couple of different colours because these girls wanted to make like rainbow clouds. So what you do is you prepare your food colouring mixture. So we've already got it done just to speed it up a little bit, but what's in here is about half a cup of water, even less, and 5 drops of your food colouring, and mix it together. And then you need to get some sort of clear container, and you fill that almost to the top with water. I hope you can see that there. So that's all you need. So we'll add our shaving foam now to our container of water. Put in our shaving foam. So Ella's ready here with the shaving foam. Good girl. I'm just going to move this down so maybe you'll see better. So, oops, sorry boys and girls. Okie doke. Right, Ella's ready to... Good girl. Drain it in, yeah. It does.
Don't need it.
Looks like cream, but it's definitely not cream.
Okay.
Shaving cream, yeah, good girl. Okay, so we've got like a light fluffy cloud here. You know those ones you see on a nice day? It's nice and light and fluffy. It's not carrying too many of the water droplets, so it's not too heavy, so the precipitation, the rain doesn't need to happen. But we're going to add more of the water droplets, making this cloud heavier.
Yeah.
Yes. So Ella, you will
do it at the same time.
Same time or one at a time. Good girl. So there's a few more droplets coming in the cloud, but still not too many. We still don't see any rain. A few more of those droplets coming in. And some more.
Some more now.
And some more. And I hope you can see there, but we still don't see any rain.
It's just
the cloud isn't.
Beneath it.
There's a little underneath, yeah. But it's still just not that heavy yet to cause the rain to fall. And there's another word for that rainfall. Do you remember what it is, Ella?
Precipitation.
Precipitation. So that's another word for when the rain falls from the cloud. Precipitation. It's just still not heavy enough, so we're going to keep adding those water droplets until it gets so heavy that it just can't hold on to them anymore. Now it's starting to
look like it's going to fall.
Yeah, I hope you can see.
It's like a lot of the
from the camera, but yeah, you can see it. Do you know what? It's turned into like a darker, it's kind of like, you know, those grey clouds you see in the sky. You're thinking, oh, it might rain.
Maybe at the top it looks like this.
Maybe it does, yeah.
Very light and fluffy.
Mm-hmm.
The top of
Still light and fluffy on the top, maybe with all those darker bits underneath the bits that we see. Okay, I definitely think there could be some rain coming soon. They're getting super heavy. Yes. One more bit, Anna, and we'll just see what's happening.
Oh, it's going down that.
Yeah. Let me just move it in really closer to the camera. Can you see what we're talking about? How it looks really heavy underneath, but I still just don't see any rain. We'll keep going. We'll keep adding those water droplets.
Oh, it's like, it looks like it's about to go.
It does. Oh, it's very dark.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Do we see some rain?
Well, it looks like
Yeah,
it's about to
it is.
It's just...
Yeah, oh, the rain's coming, definitely. Yeah, let's
There's
go.
our drizzle on top of us.
Yeah.
I see one.
Do you see the rain now
Is it
falling
grey
down? And what's happening there is there's another bit of science there. It's that force called gravity pulling the rain down to the ground.
Is it going anything?
Yeah. So I hope you can see, I hope it's clear enough, boys and girls there, but when you try it out at home, you'll definitely see it. So we've got our rain. Yeah, it's starting to rain, yeah.
It's starting to rain, oh no.
Oh no, yeah.
Inside.
We better get inside. It's starting to rain. That's
Is that-
super, girls.
Is that actually going to rain?
It's not actually, no, it's just
Well, it
pretend.
might.
Yeah, you can definitely see it there now. I just hope you boys and girls at home can see it, but we can see it here.
Yeah.
We can see the rain falling.
Yep, yeah, it's really pretty.